A very good afternoon to all the worthy teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Monica Sharma of class 11th. Here we are with yet another session on waste management. And I promise you all that after hearing this session, you all know the various ways to manage the waste better. Yes, my friends, it is the principle of these 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. And I explain these 3 R's by pretending myself as our planet Earth. Hello, I am the Earth, or the very planet where you live. We have 3 words which start with the letter R and which I love. They are reduce, reuse and recycle. Do you know why I love them so much? Because they are almost the magical words. They can make all the living things as well as myself be happier. I said that these are almost magical words because without your efforts it won't work. Each and every one out of these 3 R's, each and every one are the real 3 R magician. These 3 R's can change the world. Do you know how? So let's find out. The first R is for reduce. If we think about it, there are many things we don't need. We have to reduce the amount of plastics, which is very contaminating. And I'm sure that you don't need to print out so many documents or photos. No, leave lights, televisions, computers on when you are not using them. So then these are just a few examples to reduce the contamination. I hope you all come up with the new exciting ways to reduce for what you are using. Then the second one is recycle. Now it is easier than ever to recycle things we don't need anymore so that they can be reused. Near our home we find many recycling stations, containers, cans. By using them we will avoid contaminating our nature, rivers, seas as well as our atmosphere, which is the air we breathe. And finally we have our third R, which is reuse. How many things do you think we can reuse again and again instead of throwing them away? Let's see. A piece of paper which has one side printed, we can use this side of paper. A plastic bottle, a carton box, etc. And always remember, if we apply 3 R's rule, then we will make a neat and much cleaner planet where less contamination and where we can enjoy our life better. Because as you know, children can make a world of difference. So our today's session is completed here. Thank you so much for bearing me today.